Hello everybody, my name is Liz. I am the Japanese House and Cultural Programming Specialist at Boston Children's Museum. Part of my job at the museum is to welcome visitors to share their stories and have them be seen and heard by others. And a great way to do that is by making zines. Zines are a self-published book or magazine, and it can cover different topics. The wonderful thing about making and sharing your zines is that you can make them about anything you'd like. It can go from medicine to comics and food reviews. Here is a zine I created called The Encouraging Animal Zine by me, Liz Y. Here we have a gorilla saying, "I think you are awesome." And a mother and child whale saying, "You are doing your best. You are doing great." And a herd of sheep saying, you are a wonderful friend. And a panda bear saying, "Treat yourself." I think this is a really fun little zine. What's awesome is that you can easily make a zine with just paper and a pair of scissors. So I'm going to show you how to make your own zine to share your story. What you want to do is take a piece of paper, typing paper 8.5 by 11 is best, and you want to fold it in half. And then what you do after folding this in half is fold it in half again. And we're going to fold in half one more time. So it will look like this. If the pages are a little uneven, don't worry. You want to open this up on the first fold and make sure when you're at the closed fold, you don't want to be on the open fold because that will not let the zine fold apart, but cutting it on the closed part will have it folding apart, folding together. So we want to make sure we cut all the way to the center, like that. That way when we open up our paper, you can also have it like a little mask. You want to fold it just like this. And then you kind of want to push it like an accordion. And then you have it together. And then you can fold it in half. And you have your own little mini zine booklet. And now you can decorate it any way you'd like.